Hola, guapo. Okay. We venture down into the Latino Fiesta. We're breaking up this one piece of bedrock to get a footing in here. The rest of it's really, really solid. And we've gone around to all of these locations and started jacking up little by little in order to remove current columns and supports that are in our way to pour concrete footings. So we have to remove the old columns that were in our way that we can put new footings in the places as required, as per plan. And yeah, jacking up the house little by little, you can see. Getting there. Bring a laser down here maybe tomorrow. That's crazy how this breaks up like that. Like shale. Interesting.